Energy is the thread that connects us all to opportunity, to each other, and to endless possibilities. Yet, around the world, around 675 million people lack access to electricity. At CLASP, we know the way forward. Efficient, high-quality appliances provide life-changing solutions to people who need it the most. Appliances help farmers grow more, keep food fresh, make cooking safer and easier, power businesses, and save lives. This is about more than appliances. It's about empowering people, protecting our planet, and creating a future where energy works for everyone. CLASP, efficient appliances for people and the planet.